Oh, it has a minor damage. Oh, no way! Is it the same car? Great, when I thought about Ferrari, the prices went up. What's going on? $85,000 extra. That's just unbelievable. What's up everyone? My name is Andrei Ivanov. I'm with Cars from West and welcome to AutoHacker channel, the only channel where I show you how to save up to 50% on your next car. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe because I drop new episode every Sunday. But if you're part of a fast-growing YouTube community, you went through my online courses or you're a customer of carsfromwest.com, welcome back. You're my people. Do you ever daydream about owning and driving super fast exotic car? Ferrari, Lamborghini, Aston Martin? This week I caught myself that I was dreaming about Ferrari 458. I'm not sure why, it's probably a childhood dream, but 458, look at this beauty. Absolutely stunning design. It's 4.5 liter, 530 horsepower, it's naturally aspirated engine, and it's a thing of beauty. What I thought this car is already 10 years old. If I go and search for used car, it's probably gonna be around $150,000. Then I went to Car Gurus and I checked cars on 2010, 2015 Ferrari 458 Italia. It's mind-blowing. They're in $295,000, some cars over $300,000. 289,000, 304, 268, 249. I was like, what's going on? This is a 10-year-old Ferrari. It shouldn't be that expensive because there are newer ones, 488, or even newer ones that came out in this price range. I was curious what's really happening. I pulled the Ferrari price trends for 458 Italia and you see brand new car back in the day when it was released in 2012, their used car prices was in $282,000. That makes sense because it was just released, it's expensive. But then the prices go down, and back in 2018, this car dropped to $198,000. Back in 2020, it dropped even more to $185,000. So looking at this graph, 2012 should be in $150,000 range. That's what I thought. But then the prices went up, and now this used Ferrari in 2022, the average price is $245,000. That's amazing. This car in 10 years lost just 13%. That's just unbelievable. So why is that? There are multiple things going on here. First, this car gets a collector status. So once this car gets a collector status, lots of people start searching for it. It's one of the last Ferraris with naturally aspirated V8 engine, and it's one of the best cars actually to own. I heard in community of Ferrari owners, they call 458 Honda-like Ferrari. It has no issues whatsoever. I mean, of course, every car has issues, but this car is extremely reliable, beautiful engine, and people buy this car and they do not want to sell it. And it made me think, great, when I thought about Ferrari, the prices went up. So I started browsing Manheim. Sometimes I go to wholesale prices to see, can I find any great deal there? And I don't know what, but this 2011 Ferrari 458 Italia caught my eye. It was $235,000. It's only 6,000 miles, 4.6. Condition report looks absolutely beautiful. Pictures, yellow color looks absolutely stunning. But then I saw, wow, so announcement, prior paint, and it's a theft recovery. Theft recovery. So let me check this car at AutoStats. Probably it has salvage history, or at least it was at a salvage auto auction. And bingo, I found this car that was sold previously at insurance auto auction. Back in April 2022, it was sold for $149,000. Exciting, 56% of retail value. Now it's closer to my dream. So checking pictures, looks beautiful. On the windshield it says no fork. Of course, this kind of car is beautiful. You don't want to fork it, you want to drive it. Wow, I don't see any issues whatsoever with this car. Everything is clean, so it's a theft recovery vehicle. Someone stole it. I don't know what's the reason. Maybe take it apart or ship it to another country. Only 5,337 miles, beautiful interior, everything looks beautiful, engine is amazing, and $149,000. Now this car sells for $235,000, whooping $85,000 extra, and mileage on it, it's already 700 miles more. So what I see, this dealer purchased this Ferrari, enjoys it, and tries to sell it for $85,000 profit. Would you want to do this as well? For a minute, if you want to get used Ferrari without theft recovery record, I found this one, 2013, with low mileage, 6,997 miles, for $268,000. So now I'm thinking, what a deal it was at Salvage Auto Auction. Great car. Another one I found, 2013 Ferrari 458 Italia. This one was for $159,000. Pretty cheap. It has, of course, higher miles, 25,000 miles. If you buy it for collector market, 25,000 miles may be higher. But guys, this car was for sale at Insurance Auto Auctions a year ago and sold for $104,000. So this car, if you try to negotiate, you can get amazing deal. That is pretty cool. This one had left front and undercarriage damage, which is not that bad, but the bad part, the bumper probably and the fender is already repainted, so it's gonna have some paint work. But since the car is already has a salvage title or rebuild title, and actually the airbag was deployed here, but if you can get this car at around $130,000 repaired, right now I think it's gonna be a really cool deal. So my question to you, would you buy a rebuild title Ferrari for discount of $100,000? Or would you go another path and buy, for example, this 2011 Ferrari, which has 54,000 miles, which doesn't have a rebuild title, but it has a frame damage and it has a prior paint, for $155,000. And guys, you're probably gonna be excited and say like, wow, I wanna go ahead and try to search for affordable exotic, buy it theft recovery or vandalism damages at $85,000 to $100,000 discount, but be extremely careful, because I also checked. There was 2011 Ferrari 458 Italia that was sold for extremely low $65,500. You look at it, you see, oh, it has a minor damage, probably you need to repaint the bumper, something is wrong with the wheel, but otherwise, that is a beautiful Ferrari at extremely low price of $65,000. But as always, you need to check its history and do your proper work. Better go and inspect it. And this car was sold prior to that for $39,750 in condition like that. Oh, no way! Is it the same car? What a staged scam. Unbelievable. Yes, guys, if you're checking cars on your own and you don't know how to check them, you don't know nothing, you can make very expensive mistake. By the way, in the pinned comment, I put my 7 biggest mistakes buyers make buying cars at Copart and Insurance Auto Auctions. You can get it absolutely free, and at least 7 expensive mistakes that you can make if you're new to Copart or Insurance Auto Auction. Even if you're a seasoned buyer, it still makes sense to go over my report, because it's absolutely free. With the right knowledge, you can buy minor damage cars at Salvage Auto Auctions up to 50% discount. I showed you that on exotics. You can get it exactly the same on daily drivers. I also found this beautiful 2007 Lamborghini Gallardo. Look at this amazing car. Just wow. You know, the wrap is amazing. It's a beautiful Gallardo, and the best part of it, the final bid was $42,225, which is 50% of retail value of Gallardo, and Gallardo goes in prices as well. It's good to daydream sometimes. I wish you daydream as well. Go and search for your exotics, and one day you might be sitting in front of that wheel with the bull or the horse and drive it and say, my dream came true. My name is Andrei Ivanov. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in a week. Cheers, guys!